Would you like to get passive income with cryptocurrency? If the answer is yes, watch out this video. I'm gonna tell you exactly how you can earn money while buying some crypto. So we got my computer, but I promise you're gonna like it. So as you can see, I'm talking about today the Checkcoin. I don't know if you heard about this crypto, which is a meme coin. It was founded by two French that I followed way before that. And what is good with this cryptocurrency is not like a lot of shit coin that can exist, is that this crypto will give you passive income in BNB every 60 minutes. That means that every 60 minutes, based on how many and how much percentage you of the check-on you hold, you will get some passive income. And what is good with that, it's like today you can see on PooCoin all the green dot, it's where I buy. So I buy a lot, and I sold once just $9. I don't know what I did that. I think it was a mistake, but in total I think I put around 1,000 in Checkcoin. And what is good with that, and you could see, is that you can have a website where you can look out how much you earn. So what you do is like you go on your MetaMask, you put your MetaMask address, and since the beginning I earned 2.72 BNB, sorry. So we're gonna check BNB USD to check what is it. I think I earned around 900 or something, 2.729. Yeah, $968. So that means that only with the dividend, I'm almost break even. And as I told you, you can tell that I put only 1,000 and I'm already times 6. Of course, I could have sell here, but I believe so much in the project and the community behind this that I know that it could go. And as you know, like most of the cheat coin, they go dead in one day, but this one is here since more than 10 days, and there is up and downs, but you have a strong community. I think they have a Telegram with more than 30,000 people around it. You can tell that there is a lot of holders for a new coin, so there is more than 10,000 holders, so it's pretty good. So now if you want to buy some Checkcoin, how could you do? I'm going to show you exactly. So first you need to create a MetaMask. So you go on metamask.io, all right, and you download it. So what is good with MetaMask is that you can have it on Chrome, Firefox, Brave, Edge, or you can have it for your iOS, Android, and all the stuff. So it's pretty good. Once you have that, you will set up it, please. You will have a sentence of 12 words. Please keep it safely, because if you lose your password for some reason, this is the only way for you to get back your MetaMask. So please do that. And then once you have it, so you will see, you will have your MetaMask like this. So you can tell that it's mine. I can do whatever I want. It's all my coins and all the stuff that I have on it. And it's exactly what I earned the past hours with the Checkcoin. So that's pretty good. So once you have your MetaMask, you will go on chainlist.io. Sorry, chainlist.com, I guess. No, .org. I'm sorry, I messed up. Okay, I messed up big time. So we're gonna put chainlist. Yeah, it was Chinese.org, so what's the problem? And then you put Binance, because at first your MetaMask would be Ethereum blockchain, all right? So you need to put the Binance Smart Chain, and what you do is like you go on chainlist.org, you type Binance, and you click on Binance. So be careful, click on the BNB currency and not the TBNB. So just the BNB, you connect your wallet. I won't do it because, as you saw, I already done it. And then you have your wallet in the Binance Smart Chain blockchain. All right. So when you already done that, you just copy your address and you go on your Binance, Coinbase, Bitpanda, whatever you want to send your cryptos. You send it from your marketplace to your MetaMask. So the MetaMask, it's like really a private wallet that is decentralized. That's what is good. It's like, it's not like Binance, Coinbase, and all the stuff where you have a big industry behind it. So what you have to understand also is that as I'm French, I have Binance, and in France we mostly use Binance because we have like maybe 3,000 coins. I know that in the US you have like 50 to 100 coins, which is not that great. So I know that a lot of people use Kraken, Coinbase, Bitpanda, and all the stuff. So use whatever you want, we don't care. But make sure that you want to send to your MetaMask address. So once again, you click it to copy, okay, in the Binance Smart Chain. It's super important because if you choose, for example, the ERC20, which is Ethereum blockchain, it will go on your Ethereum wallet, all right? So put the Binance Smart Chain, so the BSC, and you could have the crypto. So you can send up to you USDT, BUSD, which is the Binance USD. You can send up I'm gonna check, but maybe you can send up also USDC. No, I don't know, or BNB. I think the best for you is to send BNB because to make it work this blockchain you need to use BNB. So whenever you want to invest BNB with this blockchain, please don't use all the BNB because otherwise you will have you couldn't, because you need to pay the gas fee and all the stuff. All right, so then you go on Checkcoin, and what you want to do, it's like Pucon, sorry, is here to make you watch the chart. All right, but you don't need it. What I do, it's like I go on launch.checkcoin.finance. I put the links in the description, and then you can go here, get early access on PancakeSwap or on Pucon. Honestly, I prefer PancakeSwap to swap my coins. So I will go, you just click, all right, that will go, and you will see like the token is already here. So if you don't have it, they will ask you to import the coin in it. So you just have to wait, and you will have a pop-up that will ask you to accept the coin. You just say yes, accept, import it, and all the stuff. And I already have it, all right, so it's here. And then you pay. So remember, every time you want to do something on the Binance Smart Chain, you need to have BNB. So what I suggest is for you to keep at least that amount minimum. All right, so you can see that here I have 0.048. So what I will put, if I want to invest in some Checkcoin, I will put 0.02. Like this, I have 0.028 left, which is enough to pay the gas fee and all the stuff. And then you swap. All right, there is like a pop-up that will arrive. Okay, I need to do that. All right, so there is a pop-up that will arrive. You confirm, and then you just have to wait. That's it. And then you will see after 1 minute you will have your Checkcoin in your balance. So it's pretty good. And if you want to see how much you earn, you go on Pucon. So you arrive in Pucon, you will connect with your MetaMask, and then you go, so you will arrive here and you go on wallet. And on wallet, they will tell you which one, which coin do you own and what is the value. So you can see Checkcoin, and you will see that you will have your revenue and how much you have. You have to know that to earn dividends, you need to own at least 200,000 Checkcoin, which is today, wait, let me see, in USDT, it's $25. So just put $30 and you're good. And you could start earning some BNB in your round. So that's pretty good because trust me, the community behind this project is huge. Honestly, it's huge. There is like at least 2,000 people hardcore. That means that, look, you can tell it was at 50 million. All right, it went down to 3 million something, I guess. Yeah, it was like 3 million something, and then it went back up to 12 million. Most of the time, all the projects around this, they just shut down. And as there is a big community of holders or people that don't sell, you can tell that it's a pretty big thing. They are kind of putting all the marketing efforts starting from today. So you will see in the next day, it will be a good opportunity. And once again, you don't care about the charts. It's good because you can make money. But what is more important is to get dividend from that. So really, it's super important. Once again, invest only the money you can afford, but also you have to understand that this is a good opportunity to get dividend, because you don't care if that goes down or goes up, because every time there is a transaction, look, I'm going to show you, but every time you get a transaction, you have reward, because you can tell that there is a transaction tax of 15%. That means that 7% is used to purchase BNB, which is automatic payout in dividend to holders. So that's pretty good. Then you have 5% to the marketing, and also 1.5% of those 5% that are used to the extreme volatility. You have 3% that is allocated to the liquidity pool. So that means that will help you to get less slippage fee, because to be sure to trade, when they ask you, put at least 20 to 40 slippage fee. The slippage is like the tolerance for you to accept the price volatility. All right. And then you have so you have the liquidity that is locked for at least 1 year, and that's it. So this is why when you have all the requirement, you can just wait and watch. And what is good is, like, honestly, everybody was freaking out when that happened. It was in 3 days, 6 days, 5 days, yeah. And everybody was scary, and I was just buying because I know that I was buying at 50. I'm buying at what was that, at 8. I'm still buying because, you know what, I earn money with dividend, and I earn more money that I invest since the beginning, and I'm not even selling. So when I will sell, so let's say I was at 50, I will make a lot of money. I was like at 30,000. So I'm waiting because I believe in the project, and I know it will be higher. Once again, it's my point of view. You do whatever you want with your money, but I really wanted to present you this big token that will do something huge in the next days and in the next months. Once again, I'm not an expert in crypto. I invest some quite of money, but I'm not an expert. But it was the first time that I saw a crypto that gives you dividends. I know it was not the first to do that, but for me it was the first time. So I was really falling in love with this idea of getting dividend from a coin that I hold. And now I know that there is a lot of more that do the same, but it's pretty smart and pretty good. So once again, what is good with that is that you have no interest of selling if you know that you're earning dividend. So do whatever you want. I hope that you enjoyed this little video. If you have any question, please feel free to put it in comment. I put all the links in the comment for you to get Binance, to get Coinbase, to get your MetaMask, to get the Checkcoin and everything. And I hope that will help you. I wish you a very good day, and please take action. Bye.